Ladies and gentlemen, you are watching the English news of Binh Phuoc radio, television stations, and newspaper. I'm Hình with the latest news for today. Binh Phuoc implement industrial support development project. Binh Phuoc striving to disburse funds for national target programs. Vietnam suggests empowering women in digital transformation. National Flag Festival opened in Ho Chi Minh City. Ladies and gentlemen, under the strategy laid out for the Industrial Support Development Project in Binh Phuoc Province in 2024, the Provincial People Committee had directed the management boards of economic zones to allocate land resources to projects within the industrial support sector, focusing on both industrial and economic zones.
Binh Phuoc Province is concentrating its efforts on attracting and nurturing 6 specific subsectors within the industrial support industry. These include electronics, textiles and garments, automobile assembly, leather and footwear, mechanical engineering, and industrial products that support high-tech industries. The province places a significant emphasis on investing in the growth of the industrial support sector, particularly in areas such as electronics, automobile assembly, and mechanical engineering. This investment is aimed at bolstering production value growth, thereby supporting the advancement of the province's primary industries. Binh Phuoc aims to achieve export turnover for industrial support products amounting to $800 million by 2024. The overarching goal of the Industrial Support Development Project is to progressively provide raw materials, components, and spare parts to bolster the province's primary industries. This initiative is expected to elevate the competitiveness of the province's industrial products, both in terms of breadth and depth.
Boosting the disbursement of funds for National Target Program is a top priority for Binh Phuoc during 2024. The province has been strongly focused on implementing this program in line with guidance from the central government and has achieved positive results. This year, the planned investment capital for 3 national target programs in the province amount to 537 billion Vietnam dong, equivalent to $21.7 million, with nearly 344 billion US coming from the central budget and the remainder from the provincial budget.
To accelerate disbursement in these programs, Binh Phuoc will effectively implement Resolution No. 1 dated January 5, 2024, issued by the government, focusing on key tasks and solutions in the Socio-Economic Development Plan and the budget estimate for 2024. Additionally, the province will review disbursement at each project and each program to flexibly and promptly transfer funds to those that are progressing well. Inspection and supervision work will also be strengthened to ensure national target programs are being implemented correctly. National target programs for the 2021-2025 period include the Socio-Economic Development Program for ethnic minority and marginalized areas for the 2021-2030 period, the new Rural Development Program for the 2021-2025 period, and the Sustainable Poverty Reduction and Social Welfare Program for the 2021-2025 period.
Improving the quality of healthcare and protecting the health of local people is a top priority for Binh Phuoc, and the task has been consistently focused upon and achieved significant results, with attention investment and upgrades to infrastructure equipment and the activity of healthcare facility or rather province. The healthcare needs of local people has been effectively met.
The public healthcare system in the province currently includes 7 provincial-level units, 11 district-level medical centers, and 111 commune-level health stations. The total number of hospital beds in the province stands at 3532, with 2865 in public hospitals. Average bed occupancy across different healthcare levels is 52.5%. In recent time, the healthcare sector has directed healthcare facilities to strictly adhere to hospital regulations and professional technical procedures, gradually expanding technical services from provincial to communal levels. Disease prevention and control, as well as national healthcare programs, have been given significant attention. Population-related work has been effectively implemented. Healthcare facilities in Binh Phuoc continue to deliver high-quality healthcare services to residents, effectively executing disease prevention and control measures, maternal and child healthcare initiatives, elderly healthcare programs, and the management of infectious diseases.
Ladies and gentlemen, Vice President Võ Thị Ánh Xuân is paying a walking visit to the United States of America to extend the 68th section of the Commission of the Status of Women and carry out bilateral activity in the U.S.
Vice State President Võ Thị Ánh Xuân suggested empowering women and girls in science, technology and digital transformation while addressing the 68th session of the Commission on the Status of Women in New York on March 11. She called on UN countries to work together to enhance partnership for sustainable development and provide financial support and policy consultations for developing nations. She briefed the participants on Vietnam's achievements in ensuring gender equality, elaborating that female National Assembly deputies make up 30.3% of the total seats and female labor force participation, 70%. She said Vietnam stands ready to closely cooperate with others and partners for gender equality and women's and girls' empowerment, ensuring that no one is left behind.
The 2024 National Flags Festival officially kicked off in Ho Chi Minh City and will last until March the 17th. The festival themes is Vietnamese flags pioneering innovation for the revolutionary cause of the party and the people.
With the theme Vietnamese Press, Pioneering, Innovation for the Revolutionary Cause of the Party and the People, the festival is a highlight of the Vietnamese press professionalism and modernity. It offers a chance for journalists to gain a better understanding of the information demand and preferences of readers and audiences, thus producing media products that closely reflect life, and widely popularizing policies of the party and the state. The event this year is the biggest of its kind so far, bringing together representatives from 3 journalists' associations of cities and provinces and over 600 central and local press agencies nationwide, with 112 booths displaying outstanding publications. In the framework of the event, a national press forum will be held for the first time, gathering over 60 speakers, including experienced journalists, representatives of leading media agencies in Vietnam, and reputable international communications experts.
Vietnam exports has been on a path of recovery since the beginning of the year. According to a report from the General Statistics Office, the country's total exports turnover of goods in the first 2 months of 2024 reached over $59 billion, a 19% increase compared to the same period last year.
The domestic economic sector accounted for more than $16 billion, a 33% increase, 27% of the total export turnover. The FDI sector reached $43 billion, a 15% increase, 73% of the total export turnover. Wood and wood products, in particular, have shown high export results in the first 2 months of this year. Other exports including textiles, leather and footwear, iron and steel, electronics, aquatic products, fruits and vegetables, rice and coffee have all experienced significant growth compared to last year. However, the financial health of Vietnamese businesses had been weakened after going through a prolonged difficult period, as well as new challenges, such as a 6% increase in minimum wage from July 1, 2024, and the possibility of further increases in electricity prices after a 7% rise in 2023.
And that's all for the news today. Thank you for watching BPTV News. Goodbye and see you next time.